This is what we found when we heard this huge racket coming from our pileated woodpecker's nest. Listen to this male screeching, warning about the attack that you see here as these two fall down to the ground, and then they meet again, these pine trees, until they tumble down to the ground. And then they meet up at the top of this tree and circle each other around and around, taking shots at one another, trying to get the advantage. Until finally the male who built this nest gets in a punch that seems to scare away his attacker. From here, the male flies around his tree, checking to make sure that the drama is over and that he is safe once again.